Alright, so brand new work surface here. This is a big ass metal desk. So stickers it is. This thing is a big old workbench. She's on wheels, so she does roll. I've got her elevated. I mean, I can lean over on it pretty easy. I do have footrests on it too, where if you're standing here, you can put your foot up. You know how bars have that brass bar at the bottom of it? You just put your foot up, not crank on your back so hard. I won an Empire Tool giveaway on, I think it was Instagram. They sent me a couple of koozies and a couple of these old style lawn chairs with the caution tape. Had them up in the living room for a little while and using them in there. Jimbo Slice Workshop. I got all kinds of places for these now. There was a Instagram giveaway too, I believe. Jared Milky Way online tool community. And I do have channel lock stickers for this. More Gear Wrench. Guy wins a lot from Gear Wrench. I think it's every other month. Oh, there's a nice crescent. Ah, that's a good looking sticker there. Oh, look at there. Triumph Twist Drill. This was an Instagram giveaway for sure. They also included some stickers. If you don't know it, Triumph makes a lot of bits for a lot of different companies, Snap-on included. And these right here are their MRO black and gold. So they're kind of like a maybe a mid-grade. 1/16 a half inch by 64, 29 piece set. Yeah, these are going to come in handy because I need some good drills. I mean, I have some and everything, but they're not always sharp. So having a nice set of drills just waiting to be used, that'd be hella handy. Actually, they weren't supposed to send me this hat, the hat and the stickers were just kind of last minute throw-ins, I believe. So, meh, let's get on you. Good old Spanky. I saw her on a recent trip. She was traveling the country. Good old Spanky. If you don't know about Spanky, go check her out. She went and got, so if you guys don't know Spanky, go check her out. I'll have links for these guys down in the description. So go check them out. Might even be some cards. Who knows? This was an anonymous donor to the channel. You can tell they love me. They sent me coupons for Tenna home delivery, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, this shit ain't gonna fit either. But at the same time, I do some gardening and shit like that, and I know that you can break these apart. That is quite the fucking size there. You can break these guys apart right here, cut that open, and scrape out all the stuff, and you put that in your garden, not the fibers, but the little pellets and shit that are in there, the silica. And it'll collect moisture during the rain or when you water it, and then whenever it gets dry, that moisture will come out and your plants will actually stay hydrated longer. It's actually really fucking useful. Tenna. That's the shit. So again, secret admirer. Don't know who, but very, very thoughtful gift. I got me some Work Pro drills right here for wood. Funny thing is, I have actually used these. Of course, I got them like 2 months ago. This is one of the things I use to help me build the platform and the casters and shit that this bench is on now. I have used them, you know. I'm not a woodworking guy, so I don't know a whole lot. I don't know a whole lot about that kind of stuff, but this is quarter inch all the way up to 1.5 inches. So a pretty decent set there. And you know, I've actually started looking more into Work Pro. stuff. I've seen a little bit more of their stuff online or whatever, and I think I got some pretty decent stuff for some pretty affordable prices. You know, I don't know. I just have to keep checking them out, seeing how they do. Simple solution now. Made in USA. These. Scan the code on the back of this card to get a $100 coupon. Well, there you fucking go. Somebody scan that code right there and get you a $100 coupon. I'm going to go ahead and try these out. I got a couple of different. These are the low temperature aluminum soldering rods. I mean, you use propane, MAP gas, that kind of stuff. I call it soldering. It may be some kind of brazing or welding type stuff, but I mean, in all the videos I've seen, it all look good. Like I said, I've got some stuff that's kind of weird, you know. Not necessarily pewter, but it's pot metal. And if I can use this shit to fix it, then that's going to be awesome. And you guys will find out. Actually, you guys will find out if it works or not, because I'll do a video on fixing that shit. You know, we might come up with some other cool stuff. Figure out just how this works. Because like I said, I am, you know, interested. Guys got a hold of me on Instagram, sent some stuff over. We'll give her the old one too. This is from Jimbo Slice. He's the one that had the giveaway on his channel. Oh, look at there. It's a good looking hat. Lots of stickers everywhere. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but there's a link in the description now also to check out tool prices at acmetools.com. You follow that link if you actually buy something from them or pre-order some of the new Milwaukee stuff that's coming out, or anything. It doesn't have to be Milwaukee. If you're a power tool guy and you can buy it at Acme, it's an affiliate thing. You know, they give me a cut of the money that they make. It doesn't cost you anything. Cut of the money that they would make for me sending people over their way. And I've ordered plenty of stuff from Acme. They've never done me wrong. Because you can be an affiliate for anybody, but if their service and tool selection, everything sucks, why are you going to be an affiliate for somebody like that? This is what the giveaway was, the big ticket item. Dremel Versa high-speed power cleaner. I was gonna shoot a video of this before I left the other house and actually, you know, show it cleaning the bathroom and that kind of stuff, but I didn't have time. Not only that, half of the shit was packed up and I didn't know where it was, because it just got to that point where it was like, hey, you gotta throw shit in boxes and get the fuck out of here. I do clean stuff, you know. I don't live in a fucking pig pen or a barn, so yeah, just how this works. Brad's Workbench, he won one of these also, so I don't know if he's done a video on his yet or not. I'll have to look. If he did, I'll leave a link to his video in the description and a card in the corner. No, I hate clamshell packaging. Nah, I ain't got time for that. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for this sticker haul and Instagram giveaway wins, mail calls. So yeah, this is the new place of business right here, and it's so huge. I still gotta figure out the lighting, but we'll get that shit figured out. Just a matter of time. Just gotta dig with it. It's like anything else. Just gotta dig with it. Just a little bit here, a little bit there. You know, however you gotta do it. But as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties. They never fit. I got me some Work Pro drills.